Hello, my name is Braden Moore. I'm going to teach you how to take a document like this from Google Docs and, for one, turn it into a Word file, because a lot of professors and anything else that you want anywhere you work or anything like that, they're going to want a Word document, and a lot of people just use Google Docs as their document, but a lot of times that's fine, but they want a Word document. So as you can see here, I have a Word document. I just typed in some random stuff about basically what I just told you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here to File, and you're going to want to download it as a Microsoft Word. And then you'll see down here it pops up in your help bar down here. And then once you have this down here, you can go over here. This is something for my school. But you could do it with emails or anything that will allow you to submit a file. So you could go here, add a file, and then you can take this right here from your toolbar and you can drag it up into here, and you see it's in there, and then you'll go to add, and then you have it there, and you just click submit or send, whichever one you're wanting to do, and that is how you will basically turn a Google Doc into a Word document, as well as submit it or send it as an email.